Soft, chocolatey, and a little unexpected, this roti turns an everyday classics into a sweet delight you will want again and again. Perfect with scoop of vanilla ice cream or a warm cup of milk. In a bowl, add flour, cinnamon powder, and mix it well. Now add maple syrup and milk to make a soft dough. You can add honey instead of maple syrup if you like. Before finishing the dough, add olive oil and knead again one last time for a smooth finish. Now, on a rolling surface, divide the dough into a small portion. Roll each ball into a thin round shape with a rolling pin. Heat a flat pan and place the roti on it. Cook one side until bubbles form, then flip it. Now cook other side and press gently with a cloth. Once roti is slightly brown and cooked, remove from the heat and serve hot with your favorite sides. Enjoy.
Want to eat?
Yeah.
Hold it. It's here. It's not very hot.
Very good.
It's nice. It's sweet.
Yeah.
You like it? It's good.